We down here in Pawleys Island, and my daughter out there, our daughter out there, with her fiance or boyfriend from New York. I'll fix it in a minute, baby. So you fix it. This is the Atlantic Ocean, and way down towards my left, you'll be going to Myrtle Beach. So we in Pawleys Island, then it's Lynchfield, then it's Merle's Inlet, then it's Myrtle Beach. My beautiful daughter. What's the matter? Mutt and Jeff. That's where we at.
Hey, John, for somebody to say he wouldn't go in that water if it's too dirty and he can't see it, he's showing that.
Yeah, he in there. He's trying to be brave. Scan around, let's see. Sun hiding. That's the sun right there. That's the sun. With the chemtrails covering it. And this is me. I don't know why my camera is on, my light on, but I'm glad he got them gargles. That's less water they had to swallow. Yes, both of them 17.
Hey,
Yeah.
send one of them pictures to his dad.
Alright. You know, salt water is good for, and yes, this is salt water right here. And right now it's kind of like low tides. I didn't film the early part of us coming in where you can see that it was low tide. I mean, very low tide. So, I'm going to give it about a couple more minutes with this, and then I'll be uploading this to my YouTube channel. And I just want to say, everybody be safe out there. It's saying whole type of blessings, sending positive energy your way for healing and spiritual growth and protection to one and all around the world, to my Angela family, to my Gullah Geechee family, to my Christian family.
Tell your daughter that so.
And to my Israeli family, to all the denominations around the world, regardless of their belief system. We got to get away from that belief system, because that divides us. That was a tool that was set up to keep us divided. I'm a Hebrew Israelite, I'm a Christian, I'm a Jehovah's Witness, I'm a Baptist, I'm a Seventh Day Evangelist. You know, if you really look at it, you got to look at it as proper perspective. of what tools were set in place just to keep us divided as a people. Because we are who we are. Divine spiritual beings having a human experience. That's what we are.
Poseidon did a really cheap movie hit me about.
So I'm finna end this right now. Y'all stay blessed and stay safe.